So if you go to the resources section of the sidebar panel here, you will be taken to the page where you can see all the previous resources you have generated in your lifetime within Monsha. So you can see all in this table, all the resources, their title, and their hyperlink. That means clicking it will take you to the output page of these resources. For example, this, going back. So you can see all the resources here and their type. For example, this is a question, this is a worksheet, this is an adaptive reading passage, and their associated grade and belongs to lesson. So you can see all the Monsha resources can optionally be associated to any lesson or a unit or a course to be able to better organized or better contextualized. So if this is assigned to any lesson, you can see it from here, and clicking it will take you to the lesson page. You can click on change and reassign to this to another lesson. And this is, if this is not assigned, you can click on change and assign to a lesson from here. You can see the created date and you can perform some edit, and you can actually delete from here as well. So you can search within your resources. For example, heroes, this comes up. You can filter by resource types. For example, I want to select the lesson plans only. You'll have to first cross the search. Yes, I want to see the key vocab words I've generated, and you can filter by grade level as well. So let's say grade 10. Now you can see I don't have any key vocab words that are for grade 10. So if I want to see all the resources of grade 10, I can just delete this filter and it will see the resources on grade 10. So for example, this is a grade 10 presentation slides. So if I select on the filter, select presentation slides, so I can see the presentation slides of grade 10. So you can use these filters in combination or you can use them separately. And finally, if you want to create more resources, you can just click on the create new button. It will take you to the tools page where you can select the tool you want to use to generate resources.